Hey everyone, Alex Ukraine here, and today we're diving deep into a topic that's super relevant for many Canadians: how to sell your financed car. When you've got a loan on your car, the lender basically owns a piece of it. But don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. This video will break down the entire process into manageable steps. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's turn you into a pro at selling your financed car in Canada. Alright, step 1 is figuring out what your car is actually worth in the current market. Think of it like checking the Zestimate on your house, but for your car. Head over to Kelly Blue Book, Edmunds, or even Canadian Black Book. These websites are like the oracles of car valuations. You punch in your car's year, make, model, mileage, basically, its entire life story, and boom, they spit out an estimated value. Remember, this is just an estimate. Think of it as your baseline for negotiation. This is where things get real. It's time to face the music and find out exactly how much you still owe on your car loan. Pick up the phone and call your lender directly. They'll give you a magical document called a payoff statement. This outlines the exact amount, down to the last penny, that you need to cough up to break free from your loan. Oh, and while you're chatting with your lender, be sure to ask about any prepayment penalties. It's always better to know up front than be blindsided later. Alright, time for a little math, but don't worry, it's not rocket science. Equity is the difference between what your car is worth and how much you still owe on it. Let's say your car is valued at $15,000, and you still owe $10,000 on the loan. Congratulations, you've got yourself $5,000 in positive equity. But if your car is worth $10,000, but you owe $12,000, you're underwater on your loan. Knowing your equity is crucial because it gives you a clear picture of your financial standing. Before you start posting those for sale signs, inform your lender about your plans to sell. They're still technically part owners of your vehicle, so they need to be in the loop. Give your lender a call and let them know you're planning to sell. They'll walk you through the necessary steps and might even have specific requirements for the sale. Now that you've got your lender on board, it's time to decide how you want to sell your car, privately or through a dealership. Selling privately usually means more money in your pocket. You get to set your own price, negotiate directly with buyers, and avoid those pesky dealership fees. But selling privately takes work. If you're all about convenience, selling to a dealership might be a better fit. You just drive in, they appraise your car, and boom, you walk away with a check. So it really boils down to your priorities: effort for higher payout or convenience for a quicker process. You found a buyer, you've negotiated a price, and you're ready to hand over the keys. First things first, contact your lender and find out their preferred method for receiving the payoff amount. Once the loan is paid off, the lender will release the lien on your car. They'll then issue a clear title, which you'll need to transfer to the new owner. And with that, you're officially free. You've successfully navigated the wild world of selling a financed car in Canada. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to selling your financed car in Canada. It might seem like a lot to take in, but trust me, it's totally doable. Just remember to take it one step at a time, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask questions along the way. If you have any questions, check out our FAQs or leave a comment below.